day, ma'am. I am Jihan Repeso Bersones. Based on my understanding about the Article 3 Bill of Rights and the relevance and public administration, important of understanding the Constitution as a future public servant. Article 3 of the 1987 Philippine Constitution, commonly known as the Bill of Rights, is a cornerstone of the country's legal framework and a vital guide for public servants. It ensures fundamental human rights and freedoms, ensuring that the government acts with its limits and respect the rights of its citizens. This response will explore the key provisions of Article 3, their relevance to public administration, and the importance of understanding the Constitution for aspiring public servants. Relevance of the Bill of Rights. In public administration, the Bill of Rights has profound implication for public administration. It serves as a guiding framework for government officials and their duties and responsibilities, ensuring that they act in accordance with the law and respect the rights of citizens. The Philippine administrative system faces significant challenges in promoting transparency, accountability, and efficiency in governance. However, by implementing comprehensive reforms that address corruption, bureaucratic red tape, lack of transparency, political interference, and a weak role of law, the government can strengthen its administrative systems and enhance public trust and government institutions. These reforms are crucial for achieving sustainable development and ensuring a more just and equitable society for all Filipinos. As a future public servant can uphold the rule of law, promote good governance, protect the rights of citizens, build public trust.